I was very blessed to be raised by a grandfather too that was a game warden in the beautiful Florida Everglades. I can remember when I was 3 or 4 years old and he put me in that airboat and we went in to the beautiful Everglades. I remember the smell and the beauty and the sunsets. My grandfather taught me how to wrestle alligators, which is really a traditional culture of Florida. You know, 100 years ago in every little town was not a football team. It was an alligator wrestling team. I've been enjoying that culture for about 50 years. And now today, I'm very honored to be a commissioner appointed by the governor to oversee the Everglades. Because the Everglades is part of our history. It's part of our culture and heritage. And it's so important that we protect that, because the day we destroy it, the quality of life would change dramatically.